Here is the Nissan Versa. In order to get to the bulb, we have to open up the trunk. So let's go ahead, pop the trunk open, and now we need to peel back this fabric layer. For that, you will need a flathead screwdriver. Put it right over there and pull the middle part of the clip out, and then get the clip out. Repeat the process for that other clip, and now you can comfortably pull back the fabric layer. That's the bulb holder for the reverse light bulb. Just grab it and twist it left. Now there's not a whole lot of space over there, so you have to be careful and patient at the same time because it's bare metal and you don't want to hurt yourself, and it comes right out. Grab the bulb and pull it out straight to get it out. The bulb size is 921. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Get the new bulb and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you put it back into the light, you see there's like light coming out from the gap there. So you may have to do some twisting and turning before you can push down the bulb holder and make sure it sits flush. Just like this. At this point, twist it right. And again, there's not a whole lot of space there, so you might have to use your right thumb just the way I'm showing, or left thumb depending on which side you're working on, to lock it just the way I'm showing, and that is good. When you put the clip back in, the middle part of the clip should be pulled out as much as possible, and you may have to do what I'm doing to get the middle part out. Without it, the clip won't go back in place. See, once it's out like this, just put the clip through those holes, and once it's in place, just push the middle part in to secure it, and then repeat this same process for the other one, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.